Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate the determinant of a matrix using your graphing calculator. So the interesting thing about the determinant is, at least for high school students, we really only care if the determinant is 0 or something else. If the determinant of a matrix happens to be 0, then that matrix does not have an inverse. If the determinant of a matrix is anything other than 0, then that matrix has an inverse. So being able to determine whether or not a matrix has an inverse is actually pretty handy. So let's say I want to calculate the determinant of one of my matrices, which I'm going to go to second matrix, and I'm going to move over to math. The very first option is the determinant, so I'm going to select that, and then whichever matrix I want to know the determinant for, second matrix, let's do B. And this will tell me the value of that determinant. It turns out it's 10 for B, which means B has an inverse, which we can take advantage of in a lot of different problem-solving contexts.